Today I'm going to do a review. I just got this new product, came in. It's a Fullstar 4-in-1 Plus chopper. Just from the name, it has to be awesome. So I'm going to unbox it, pull it out. I have an onion that I'm going to cut up, and we'll see what it looks like. It says that you can cut carrots and zucchini and onions. It also has a Julienne attachment, so you can cut a ribbon or a spiral out of a zucchini. So this is interesting. It just comes with nice heavy plastic. You know, I got a feeling, because this thing does so much, I got a feeling this is probably a good appliance. You know, sometimes you buy cheap, inexpensive stuff on the internet, but this one here looks like it's pretty well made. And it has changeable inserts. They just come right out. Looks nice. This is just going to sit on here. Looks fairly sturdy. It has rubber feet under it to hold it. Give you a look at this. This is the fine one, and I have the coarse one in here. So the coarse one probably is what I'll use for onions, because you know, with onions you don't want to cut them up too small or they'll burn. So let's just take, this is a leftover part of an onion, and let's just clean this up a little bit. Move this out of the way here. Some good clean material, and we'll get rid of the root just like that. And pull off the outside here. This was a leftover from another recipe I did the other day, so I thought it would be just perfect for this. Seem to be having some root left on here. You know, onions are pretty cheap. You don't have to eat the bad part of them. Now, let's just put this here. Put it in here and let's see what it does. Definitely works. And it was easy too. I bought one that I did by hand. I don't know if you saw me do that review. It's in my list. I ended up throwing that one away after I did the show because it was so bad. So, there you go. That seems to work. I could grab some carrots out of the mini fridge. And let's try one carrot. Look at that. That worked pretty easy. Oh yeah. I'm going to say this thing works. If it works, I'm happy with it. You know, if it makes my life easier. Let's try 2 carrots. They do want to roll backwards. So I was trying to put them sideways. I guess you can't because they want to roll. My island is probably not level. Okay, a little bit of resistance when you did 2, but that's pretty cool. That's good. Alright, I'll use these when I cook them up. Well, that's my show. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. That's today's quick tip. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe in the lower right hand corner, and if you'd like to be notified about future shows, click the bell that's right up on the top. And also, more information is at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com.